A very good morning to all my dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are well. Students, in the previous video, we learned about algebraic expressions and solved exercise 11.3, question number 1 and 2. Today, we are going to continue exercise 11.3 and solve question number 3. So, let us solve it. Students, before solving question number 3, let's recall what we learned yesterday. Students, in the previous video, we learned what is an algebraic expression and form some algebraic expressions without variable using 5, 7 and 8. We also solved question number 2 in which we identify the expressions with numbers only and wrote the expressions with number without variable amongst the given expressions. Students, today we are going to learn about how algebraic expressions are formed using addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Students, mathematics, especially algebra, has its own language. Any given statement is expressed in mathematical form uniquely. For example, 8 added to sum of x and y is represented as 8 plus x plus y. Similarly, the sum of t and 7 divided by 2 is written as t plus 7 upon 2. Students, we can convert any verbal expression to algebraic expression and algebraic expression to verbal expression. That is, we can convert a given statement to an algebraic expression or a given algebraic expression to statement. So now, let us solve exercise 11.3. Question number 3. Identify the operations addition, subtraction, division, multiplication in forming the following expressions and tell how the expressions have been formed. Students, in this question, expressions are given to us and we have to write the statement for the given algebraic expressions by identifying the operators like plus, minus, multiplication or division. Students, you have to remember that if the expression has plus sign, then you have to use the word added or sum or increase while writing the statement. If minus sign is given, then you have to use the word subtracted or difference or decrease if there is no sign like plus, minus, multiplication or division in the given expression, then you have to consider that multiplication sign is used in the given expression. As we know that in algebra, multiply sign is ignored when a variable is multiplied by a constant, and we have to use the word multiplied or product or times. Students, if an expression is given in form of fraction, then we have to consider division is used in the given expression. As we know that fraction is nothing, a special division, and we have to use the word divided while writing the statement. So now let us solve question number 3 and write the statement for the given expressions using the word such as added, subtracted, multiplied or divided. Sum A. Z plus 1, Z minus 1, Y plus 17, Y minus 17. Students, in sum A, there are in all 4 expressions. Students, first of all, identify the operations in each and every given expression. Then write the correct statement for each and every expression. Students, let us first write the statement for an expression Z plus 1. Students, in Z plus 1, plus sign is given to us. So, we have to write the word added while writing the expression where 1 is added to Z. Thus, statement the expression is 1 added to Z. Now, let us write statement for Z minus 1. Students, in this expression, minus sign is given. So, we have to write the word subtracted. Students, note that in this expression, 1 is subtracted from Z and Z is not subtracted from 1. Students, so keeping in mind what is subtracted, we have to write the statement accordingly. So now, let us write the statement for the minus 1. The statement for Z minus 1 is 1 is subtracted from Z. Students, note that if you will write Z subtracted from 1, then you will get incorrect answer as 1 is subtracted and not Z. Students, write the statement for Y plus 17 and Y minus 17 by yourself. Now, sum B, 17 Y by 17, 5Z. Students, in sum B, there are in all 3 expressions. So, we have to write statements for all the 3 expressions. So, let us first write the statement for expression 17y. Students, in this expression, there is no any sign. Thus, in this expression, multiply sign is used. And we know that in algebra, multiply sign is ignored when a variable is multiplied by constant. So now, let us write the statement for 17y using the word multiplied. The statement for 17y is multiplied by 17. Now, let us write statement for y by 17. Students, y upon 17 is in the form of fraction. Thus, in this expression, division sign is used, where y is divided by 17. So now, let us write statement for y upon 17 using the word divided. Thus, statement for y upon 17 is y is divided by 17. Students, write statement for 5z by yourself. Now, sum C. 2y plus 17, 2y minus 17. Student, sum C has 2 expressions, namely 2y plus 17 and 2y minus 17. So, let us first write statement for 2y plus 17. Students, identify the operations in these given expressions. Yes, there are 2 operations in 2y plus 17. They are multiplication and addition, where plus sign is given to us, but multiply sign is not given. But we know that in algebra, multiply sign is ignored when variable is multiplied by a constant. Thus, in this expression, y is multiplied by 2 and 17 is added to the product of 2y. So now, let us write the statement for 2y plus 17 using the words multiplied and added. The statement for 2y plus 17 is first y is multiplied by 2. Then 17 is added to the product or result. Now, let us write statement for 2y minus 17. Students, identify the operations used in this expression? Yes, correct. In this expression, two operations are used, namely multiplication and subtraction. So now, let us write statement 4. 2y minus 17 using the words multiplied and subtracted. Thus, statement for 2y minus 17 is first y is multiplied by 2. Then 17 is subtracted from the product. Now sum D. 7m minus 7m plus 3 and minus 7m minus 3. Students, I am writing the statement for minus 7m minus 3. You have to write statement for 7m and minus 7m plus 3 by yourself. So, let us write statement for minus 7m minus 3. Students, in this expression, like previous sum, two operations are used, namely multiplication and subtraction. Students, note that minus 7 is a negative integer and variable m is multiplied by minus 7. Thus, while multiplying m by minus 7, you will get minus 7m and not 7m. Students, also note that 3 is a positive integer and not a negative integer. And 3 is subtracted from the product of minus 7m. So now, let us write the statement for 7m minus 3. The statement for minus 7m minus 3 is first m is multiplied by minus 7. Then 3 is subtracted from the product.